My name is Advay Agarwal and this is the second part of our Arduino circuit 7-segment display. In the last video, we did the circuit on Tinkercad, as you can see. Okay, so now it might be not the same circuit, but you can build it on your own like this only. So we'll take a photograph of this as well. Okay? Alright. So, what I will do is, I will explain you how it works. Building will take a lot of time. So, I'm not going to build it, but I'm going to explain you. Alright. So, can you see the Tinkercad circuit? Yep, and my circuit? Yeah. So, and when I start it, does it look the same? Yep, they are about glowing too. So, I will show you how it works. Basically, what we have done is, we have built this whole circuit like this and connected it to the laptop. Now, you have to go to the code. I'll tell you some steps. Wait. Alright, I'll just show you how it works. Then I'll again do this and I'll again cross this. Then I'll open again Arduino ID. Then we will see what happened. Alright? Alright, don't save it. Don't save it. Alright, can you see here? It's glowing too. It first turned off, then turned on again. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Now let me cross it. Let me just close it and I'll open it again. I'll do it now. Okay. So we got this how to do it. So you go to code. Wait. Yeah. So you'll get this. Alright, this is the code that we did. Now, what you will do is, go to the blocks option, click on it and you'll go blocks plus text. Now, you can see the text. Click anywhere like this. Now, do Control A as you can see on the keyboard. See? A. Alright, see it's selected. Now, Control C. Now, you have to open Arduino ID, just 1 minute. Yeah, so I'm opening Arduino ID. Alright, it's opening. Alright, here it is. Okay, so what you'll do is, we have already Control C, to go Control A and Control V. Now go to Tools, port is find upload it. Now let's see. Cancel. See this. Alright, it turned off. Okay, it's turned on again. It's working. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I want to tell you about this book. It's an animal showdown. That means animals show their teeth, or which one is the scariest. There will be wars about this, like which is the most cutest animal, like that. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share to your friends and family. And I hope you are interested in our videos about science based and books. So that's the end of the video. Please subscribe to our channel Young Scientist. Bye.